Wow, friends, it's been time since I did a video. Um, yeah, rabbits appear to be doing very well. Uh, it's Dan. They're all healthy. Um, yeah, it's pretty good. We're just trying to make sure that we can maintain water for them because of this cold weather. We've had so much snow here. The snow has been our biggest issue. Is dealing with that. Um, yeah, they seem to be eating very well. That's for sure. So what you can see here is when I'm feeding, I push down the food. I know we've talked about this before, friends, but I push the food down, moves the old stuff down first so it gets eaten and the fresh stuff goes in on top. We did have a fatality. One of the older does, she passed away about 2 weeks ago, and I'm sure, obviously we didn't do an autopsy. I mean, some people said I should have, but I believe it was cancer. She had a lot of vaginal discharge. So yeah, I think she surpassed. I did some research on the internet, and that seemed to be what it be. She was about a 4-year-old, and that's prime for the age. Everybody else is in supreme health. So we're gonna, we're gonna definitely call it. That's what it was. I mean, these rabbits, they just love to die. I don't know, they're a they're they're not super hardy, that's for sure. So we'll get a replacement doe for her. Like I said, she was getting older. And that's just a matter of keeping livestock. Animals do pass. There's nothing you can do about it. It's not a Walt Disney movie. They don't live forever. So that's what we're up against. I've got them in the garage because, like I said before, I'm not sure about predators yet. I'm still working on that. There's the chainsaw collection. The other one's over there. I'm working on. I haven't had any time. All I've been doing is battling snow and trying to keep the snowblower running. What the hell happened here? Look at that, eh? That vacuumed. So that's what's been going on. I monitor their food and their pooping, and it all looks good. I had such a storm on Sunday, I didn't have a chance to do the pans, so I'll be 2 weeks doing pans instead of the normal 1 week. Let me hold on. I'm going to pause it and then I'll come back. Yeah, so the only minor change that we have, we got them on the ACV plan, and I'm trying to help that out, see how that goes. That's apple cider vinegar. I put 2 tablespoons per gallon of water, and it's supposed to be healthy for them, so we'll try it out. Been on it for a week now, I think. It's been about a week, and seems to be going okay. Just getting the water filled up. I don't know. Nug, he's a weird one, eh? I'm telling you. I come out here and he's just pounding. As soon as he hears me pouring water, he's pounding on that water bottle. And they're not frozen. I put warm water in just to just in case. But Buck, how you doing, buddy? Hey, how's Buck doing? Oh, you're flowing nice. No problems. No freezing. It's not that cold in here. This is better than the tent, obviously, because it seems to hold. Hey, baby. That's Greta. It seems to hold the warmth longer. Because I've only had once we had a sign of freeze, but we had some really cold nights 2 weeks ago. She's a suck. This one here. Aren't you, baby? Hey, you drinking some water? You're a sock. She'll drink out of her water bottles if she has to, but normally she doesn't. She's just that way. And food's been it's going to be a bit of a trip around here. I'm going to have to drive an hour to get food down in Miramichi. I'm going to figure out when I'm going to do that. So we'll see how that goes. Other than that, Jake will probably bring up some more bags when the rest of the family comes, which is in 3 weeks. So that clock's counting down. Oh, you guys had food good today. Yeah, I usually notice right away when you're filling. So I was keep it monitored the same, so that I can tell what's going on. Sorry if the camera's going a little crazy, but I like to do things the same all the time. And yeah. So I always have a kind of a spot that I fill it up to, and then I know, make sure that they're eating and everything's going good. So there we are. I got some projects to do. I got to build a wood rack for the quad. I got to clean up in here a little bit, and I'm going to wait before I get the heat going. Maybe, I don't know. I haven't decided yet, but anyway, and I don't know. Yeah, so that's what we're up to. So, other than there being giant amounts of snow, nothing's really changed. I've been working in the wood pile and keeping that going. So I'll take you for a quick tour around, get an idea what she looks like in the snow. So that's the kind of snow we've been dealing with. You can see how deep it is there. And those trees are just covered in snow. Everything's covered in snow. Deep, deep snow everywhere. There's the house. So yeah, that's about all I got for now. I just wanted to make sure everybody was, I know everybody gets antsy when nothing. Here's some wood I got piled here. I mean, that was level. I mean, look at the snow. I mean, really. So yeah, anyway, thanks again for being here, for stopping by. I'll do some daylight video maybe on the weekend, and we'll get something rolling. So I'm gonna go ahead and put supper in the oven, and we'll see you real soon. And again, take care. COVID's going bananas out in Ontario, and I'm worried about Tookie and the family, getting everybody here. So that's preoccupied me a lot lately. So that's probably why I've been doing Minch video. But anyway, thanks again. Please like, subscribe, ring the bell. If you're watching, you can subscribe. We got to get to 1,000, and we're not quite halfway there yet. And we really need to work hard on this. And I really appreciate all of you guys that have been supportive. And like I said, if you're out in the New Brunswick area, give us a shout. And if you want to come by, maybe we can arrange something. Anyway, peace. Take care. We'll see you soon. And you just have a good night. Bye now.